Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. If you see a person wearing a shirt having certain patterns or stripes, you would appreciate the design because the designer used his brain to come up with such an artistic design. You can see the nature. You see the tiger, the peacock, the cheetah. There are so much animals in the nature. You can see a beautiful pattern in their skin. Who made that pattern in their skin? Have you ever thought about it? This cannot come as a result of a random sequence of events. It should be properly designed and executed. That's why you can see those kind of beautiful patterns. It should be created by the God Almighty, Allah.